Yoga for Athletes with Sean Vigue of SeanVigueFitness.com, your official YouTube yoga and Pilates athlete instructor guy. Make sure you check in below. I appreciate that. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and share this workout on with all the athletes you know. We're going to massively upgrade your physical and mental performance with this flow. Let's begin with some side bends. You can also sit cross-legged if you wish. We're not going to waste any time. We're going to jump right into it, breathing in the nose and out the nose. You can always pause it and modify as needed. Exhale to the side. We want to open up the body. We want to stimulate and force your body to adapt and strengthen, become more flexible, mobile, pliable, and focused. Let's come down to child's pose. Stretch out the spine. Palms are flat. We're going to do a lot of spinal decompression in this flow. Inhale forward to baby cobra. Forearms are down, elbows under the shoulders. Draw the shoulders back for a gentle back bend to open up the spine, open up the back, and the breath. Exhale back, child's pose. Breathing into the front, the sides, and the back. In the nose and out the nose, you can move a little bit within the pose. Inhale forward. Again, baby cobra. Draw the shoulders back. Keep the chest lifted and open to encourage maximum oxygen uptake. Press back, child's pose, a little sway side to side. Inhale forward, scoop it through this time, and cobra pose. Hands are on the shoulders, and then lift the hands slightly off the floor, drawing the shoulders back, engaging the back. And again, pressing back, child's pose. Slide the hands forward a little bit further this time. Rocking side to side, opening up the lower back. Keep the breath flowing. Scoop it through again. Cobra. Hands off the mat, elbows hugging into the sides, opening the chest. Squeeze the glutes to protect your lower back. And then press it back. Child's pose. Slide the hands forward. How is that back feeling already? Is it feeling looser, feeling stronger, feeling more flexible? Scoop it through. Hands on the shoulders, upward facing dog. Come all the way up if you like. Drop the shoulders, open the chest, squeeze the glutes, engage the glutes and the thighs to get that extra lift and protect the lower back. A staple of the Sean Vigue yoga workouts, upward facing dog. Now we go back to downward facing dog. Let's walk the legs 10 times with a twist. So bringing the knee across, take it slow. We want to start moving into these areas that perhaps are feeling very tight. Maybe they're feeling very off, maybe even some pain. We want to move gently into those areas to encourage blood flow, circulation, and release to get your body back where it needs to be at 100%. Walk the feet forward. Chair pose. We're going to bend the knees, press back into the glutes and lift the arms up. Also, think of it as a frozen squat, working the glutes, working the quads. Arms up, the toes are loose. Now exhale, dive into forward fold. Little softness in the knees. Move the arms accordingly. Keep the spine loose. You'll see me do a lot of extra little movements, a little shimmy in there. Keep it loose. I love that. Take away tension. We don't need it. We want to let go of it. Learn to let go. Chair twist, palms together, 10 times. Exhale, pull to the side. Inhale, center. Gently side to side, adding some nice rotations, building your rotational flexibility and rotational power and force that works in pretty much every sport. Good. Cut it through. Forward fold walks. Shimmy it out, walk the legs, add a twist if you like, stretching the backs of the legs, stretching the hamstrings, the calves, the low back, and glutes. Tuck the chin. And shake it out. I'm having a little moment there. Frozen chair twist. Pull it to the right. You can open the arms too if you wish, pressing back into the glutes, adding some nice extra deeper stretch into the sides, down the spine, in the back. Inhale, center, and twisting to the other side. Palms together or open the arms. Keeping the knees as close together as possible. I know one of them always pops forward in the twist. Each exhale, rotating further. Exhale, dive down, forward fold. Keep it loose. Shake out the legs, shake out the arms. Let's rise up. Moving into an extended triangle series, side to side. So arms out, pivot the right foot, reach and extend. Long stretch down the side. One of my favorite stretches your lat muscle, stretches your back. Build some balance, some focus. Now inhale up, switch the feet, line up the heels, arms out, reach, and voila, there we are. Extended triangle, long stretch. Press your left heel down, the back heel. Really sink it down to counteract the arm stretch, the side bend. Again, switch, reach, a little more extension, lead with the ribs. And now reach the side bend, but also take that arm back. So you're looking up into your armpit, opening the chest, getting a much bigger opening in the anterior side of the body. Inhale, center, switching the legs. Here we are. Hinge first. Take your time. Very meticulous. It's your body. It's the only one you have. Take care of it. Cherish it for the rest of your life. So we're extending and reaching that arm back. Pressing the back heel into the mat again to counteract that stretch. How does that feel? Is it feeling good so far? All right, moving into a wide-legged downward-facing dog. Take the feet wide. We're going to get a neat little shot here in a moment. Hands are shoulder width. Tucking the chin. There we are. Look at this. Nothing but the finest for Sean Vigue Fitness. Let's sway it back and forth. Now as you sway, notice my knee bends a little bit there. We're dipping the chest down, drawing a little bit of a U, the letter U with the body, getting maximum spinal decompression here and stretching and opening up the entire back. The sway, side to side. Spread the fingers wide. Now walk the hands back. This is called a Garlands squat. Pivot the toes out. You can also place your forearms on the legs. I'm using my elbows to gently pry open the hips, doing a little sway side to side to get some mobility in the hips, mobility in the glutes and back and knees. And plant those heels down. Sink your tailbone down, down, down into the mat in a burning ring of fire. Again, wide-legged down dog. We're going to add a twist this time. So relax the shoulder blades pulling apart. Reach a hand, either hand is fine, to the opposite foot or ankle, and we have a twist. So we're simultaneously twisting and extending forward as we sink the heels down, pulling the body naturally in all different directions to open it up. Now hand forward and switch to the other side. Make sure you keep breathing. Relax the tension in your neck. And again, sink the heels down. So many beautiful parts going on here, moving parts happening that we don't even see. But if we can get them all in line, we maximize, always maximizing our time and our effort. All right, Garland once again. Bring it back. Maybe feeling a little looser. Is this feeling looser for you already? In real time, things happen quickly. You can also open the arms, get a little more of a oomph into that stretch. Oomph is an old Sanskrit term. Oomph. So side to side. There we are. Sinking the tailbone down, getting a maximum stretch in the spine. All right, here we are again with our wide-legged down dog. And I'm feeling it one more time. Add that twist. The second time is always better. Go a little bit further. Now we're doing an active one, 6 times back and forth. So inhale forward. Four more times. And back and forth. As you reach across, let that arm extend in the front. Let that shoulder release. It's a wonderful 1-2 punch in that stretch to facilitate. That's facilitate. I don't like that word. But anyway, you're getting more of a stretch and more of a twist. Excellent, my friends. Now bring it down onto your stomach for the scorpion. Take the leg, either leg, across the body, arms out, opening up the whole front side of the body, getting a huge stretch in the abdominals, and relieving tension in the back. And a little shift there, other side. Arms out. Take that foot back as far as you can. Scorpion, scorpion tail, Mortal Kombat, it all comes together. Excellent, my friend. Upward facing dog. Hands on the shoulders, lift up. There's a front view of it. Power yoga for athletes. What a shirt. All right, shimmy side to side. Keeping the glutes engaged. An up dog works when you're engaging the glutes, engaging the quads. Press back, child's pose. Sinking down, let the whole body release. Being able to release is a skill, and side view once again. To be able to stretch the body, to release it. Let it heal. All right, down dog leg lift. Let's really extend that leg up. Coming to down dog. Again, loose, moving the body back and forth. Right leg comes up. Press tall. Really lift. Press into the palms, stretching the whole body. Now swing that right foot forward. Lunge, hinge. Extending the arms, pressing the back foot down to get a huge stretch. All right, step back, down dog. Right leg up. Lift, lift, lift. Now switch legs. Left leg. Tall, tall. Look at that height. I'm almost off the frame. How about that? Left foot forward. Cropping will do that. Hinge. Ta-da! Pull those abs in on the exhales. Lengthen the back leg. Step back. Left leg up. Now we do a scorpion. Little opening there. Right leg up. Lift, lift. Press into the palms. Activate the triceps and the shoulders for maximum height. Right foot forward. Lunge. Lunge, hinge, there we are. Tuck the chin, lead with the crown of the head as well as the fingertips. Back to down dog, right leg up, little scorpion there. Open, open, some spontaneous movement. I love that. Body weight fitness, the sky is the limit. We can never stop. We could flow 24 hours a day for 365 days a year. Lunge, hinge, left foot forward, and never repeat the same thing twice. Constantly using your body to its greatest abilities. Garland stretch one more time. We'll just call this the Garland workout here. Feet can be a little wider. That's up to you. You can take them out a little bit more. And now moving into a side lunge. Left leg, or actually let me mirror you. Right leg goes out. Open up the left hip. Fingers can be down, opening or palms together to really work the balance. Find a focal point with the eyes, because where the eyes go, the body will follow. If your eyes are focused, my friend, the body will stay on that track. So we're lifting the upper body, and let's switch to the other side. This can either be Spider-Man or Black Widow, either one, or any other superhero you prefer to visualize. Shoulders down, palms together gently. Little rocking is good. Your body is adapting in real time, always adapting, growing stronger and more resilient. Let's take it back and forth 6 times. Hands down. Feel that extra stretch. Flex that foot on the extended leg. Getting some huge hip work here, glute work, back work, balance work. All to help you in your chosen sport or sports. Bring it down to straddle stretch. You can bend the knees if you wish. You don't have to open as wide. Work on it. We're going to do a hinge for 10 magnificent breaths. So we're going to take the arms forward. Each exhale, hinge forward. Each inhale, let your body lift just a little bit. This is usually done, this straddle, with the hands down, which is fine, but this one keeps your body lifted, and it really, really works and engages your core, your abdominals, lower back, hips, and glutes. Take the arms a little bit wider, leading with the crown of the head, and sink the backs of the legs down as you draw your toes towards you. Practice, practice. Some of these might be a little out of your range right now. Modify them, bend the knees, but the more you practice, well, of course, the better we get. Side bends. Reaching across. The right hand can also be on the leg. Arms up. I'm having a moment. This point in the workout, I feel so good. Do you feel the same way? I feel inspired. I feel stronger. The blood is flowing. I'm excited about it. Everything falls into place. As he says in A Christmas Story, all is right with the world. I love that term. And I get that so much with these flows, and I hope and pray that you do too. All right, my friends, 3-legged dog into pigeon. Right leg up. Nice quick transition, but that's what we do. One to the next. Unpredictable. Lifting, lifting. I love that stretch. Bring it forward to pigeon. Bend that right knee. Slide the left leg back. Hands down, lift up into a proud pigeon. Back bend. Sinking down. Now slide the hands forward. Forearms down. Little movement there. Little pulse. Proud. Step back. Now open the scorpion. Bend that knee. Drop it behind you. You're moving back to the left. Foot down, left leg up. Tall, almost out of the frame. Look at that. And then forward, my friend, pigeon. There we are. Slide the right leg back. It all happens so quickly, but your body does learn. Your body learns very quickly. Body wisdom, slide it forward. Pigeon, moving a little bit. You're always welcome to pause the video and hold some of these poses longer because they are lifesavers. Lift up, back, and there's the scorpion. Bend the knee, open to the side, extra stretch. Any chance we get, we expand what we have. We expand it physically, mentally, spiritually. As far as you want to take it. All right, slow vinyasa. Inhale forward, press forward, vinyasa flow. Shoulders come in front of the wrist, lower down. It's called chaturanga, hover. Elbows into the sides. It's a hover pose, squeezing everything together. And then lift up into upward facing dog. Piecing together what we've already done, putting it into the vinyasa power flow, the basis of power yoga. Press back, child's pose. How does the back feel at this point? You feel looser, you feel more yourself. Clear your throat. And then scoop it forward to upward facing dog. Move with precision, move with flow. Opening the chest, squeezing the glutes, getting a beautiful back bend. And then back to child's pose. Move it back and forth, side to side, little organic movement here. Learn to relearn how to move. Pressing up, couple shoulder rolls. Coming to forward fold, walk or hop forward. Forward fold, little softness in the knees. And slowly rising up, a full body tune-up, my friends. How did that feel? Please check in below, hit that subscribe button, like button, share it on, dominate, hustle, and win. Share this with your coaches, teammates, and let me go back to the wall. Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.